Welcome to my channel. This is a series of tool study day 1. Open a terminal. Type Nmap, it gives you the Nmap help menu. I show the most 3 common option in this tool. The first one is SN, it stands for ping scan. Its purpose is to discover which hosts are up without scanning their ports. An example is given on the screen. The second one is SV. This option in Nmap enables version detection. Its purpose is to determine the version of the service running on open ports. An example is given on the screen. The third one is SC. This option in Nmap tells it to run default NSE scripts. NSE stands for Nmap Scripting Engine. It executes a set of safe, commonly useful scripts against target hosts. An example is given on the screen. These are the 3 most common options in Nmap. The Try Hack Me lab will cover the other option. I also provide a lab link to study more about this tool. It is a lab by Try Hack Me. It covers other commands of the Nmap tool.
If you solve the Nmap lab completely, please comment below. Bye, see you in the next video.